morning legal. So, I guess you're wondering why I'm up so early today. Well, it's time to go get a transmission. And, we're about to hit the road here soon. Well, as soon as Cody gets here. I imagine he's struggling way worse than I am right now. A little late, but he's here. Look at him, he's gonna back up. Oh, yep. Yep, you're late.
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Alright, you wanna come outside with me?
Why? All right, guys, we are on the road. Say good morning to Cody. And this is Viv. And Viv probably doesn't want to be on camera. So, yeah. If you look over here, there's snow, right? But then if you look on this side of the highway, there's not snow. Snow, not snow. Snow, not snow. Cody? Alright guys, so we took a quick pee break. Cody's not doing his job, as you can see. He's missed a bunch of cool things that he could have filmed that he didn't. But we're making pretty good time. We're about 2 hours out, I think, still from meeting Jeremy. So we'll be back with you shortly. So, we made it. And the place that we were like needing to eat at is closed for the day. But we're here. Got the motor, we got the trans, and we're just waiting on Jeremy to get here now. So, yeah guys. Alright guys, so good news. The transmissions are swapped. Cody and Viv, hi. We're getting ready to hit the road, and we'll unbag this thing when we get back. See what it looks like. Alright guys, so we got back a little late last night. We were tired. We did unload the trans, but we kind of just left it at that. But I wanted to show you guys the new unit. So here it is in all of its glory. So Jeremy from RPM Transmissions really hooked this up. They got an awesome looking product here. Super clean. You can see their servo. It's got a nice deep pan on it. And yeah, hopefully this week it's going in here. We're just waiting on a converter now and start throwing this thing back together. Welcome back guys. So it's been about a week since I last updated this. Finally got all the parts in. Obviously we have the trans, but we were waiting on our converter and this little guy, which is the neutral safety switch. One of the problems on C5s, as you can see how these connectors are all nice and new? Well, that's because they have glue in them, and when you take these things apart, you have to melt the glue. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. So when you melt the glue, you also melt the plastic around it. So they're good for about 1 or 2 times going on and off, and then you gotta get a new one. So I found one. The company that shipped it to me was one of the major Corvette suppliers, and they took forever. I'm not gonna name names, but yeah. So anyway, we got the parts. That's all that matters. Everything is here. Got a new axle. Yeah, we're gonna start putting stuff back together tonight. I'm gonna clean up real quick and kind of get things ready to go here. didn't really get to vlog putting the car back together. We had some help here. We didn't really want to be rude and run a bunch of cameras, but yeah, we got it done, and here she is, all ready to go. So instead of doing a 2-part installment of this vlog, we're going to do a 3-part installment of this vlog, and the third and final installment is going to be a little featurette on Frostbite. I think we're going to film that this Sunday. Hopefully I can get it out to you guys by like the first part of next week. Maybe. We'll see. Anyway, so yeah guys, Frostbite is back in one piece. I would start it, but it's really loud in the garage, and I don't feel like hearing it right now. So yeah, we're pretty much ready to go. It's time to drag a certain coyote's ass. See you soon, Cody.